Hi everyone, क्या हाल है सबके? In this video we are going to talk about the new playlist that I'm coming up with. Motion for React, Framer Motion, जो कि is the most requested playlist right now. So I've decided to come up with a simple, not so very long playlist talking about what are the basics in Framer Motion, how you can become an advanced Framer Motion guy, or animations or design guy in general. Design as in आपको front end already आता है, आपको अपना design sense थोड़ा improve करना है वो चीज. And Framer Motion या फिर motion.dev जो कि अब हो गया है Motion for React, उसको in general how do you use it, what it is about, और उसको लेके आप क्या creative side explore कर सकते हो और क्या बना सकते हो. So what we are going to talk about in this video is motion.dev. So motion is an animation library built by Matt Perry, find him on Twitter, great guy. So इस library के basis पे I've built something called as Eternity UI, which is a UI library built on top of Tailwind CSS and Framer Motion. What is Tailwind CSS? I hope everyone knows. It is a utility based framework, set of classes that you can use directly into your HTML, और इसके basis पे हम components बनाते हैं, बहुत सारे बना सकते हैं, कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. Basically you can design websites with CSS, right? So Tailwind is one another way of doing it. Framer Motion on top of that is an animation library. For example, if you see this MacBook scroll, so once I scroll, this comes down, right? This happens with the help of Motion, which is Framer Motion. Now you can do it with vanilla CSS as well, but Framer Motion makes it a lot easier. उसके APIs बहुत ही easy हैं. For example, if you see this exploding beams, they will collide with the bottom. तो ये सब चीजें, the sparkles that you see, this is all with Motion. So Motion is an animation library that we can use to basically animate or have micro interactions which are very tasteful into your websites. So for example, if I show you any template that I have, so I'll see this AI SaaS template and I live preview it. This is built with, again, the animations that you see, the micro interactions, all Framer Motion and motion.dev. I'll call it motion.dev from now, or Motion in general. So this is built with Motion. This again is Motion. You hover over it, things happen. I hover over it, it stops. Again, Motion. The globe is another package though. This is all Tailwind. This is all Motion. This you see is all Motion. Again, these lines, Motion. So yeah, all the little tasteful micro interactions that you see onto the website are with Motion. So everything that you see here, for example, if I go to the login screen and if I have this, oh, this looks really good. I love it. So yeah, again, these micro interactions that you see are all Motion. For example, this is pure Motion dev or Motion. So yeah, you get the point, right? You get the point. So this is what we are going to learn in this playlist. It will be a very small playlist of maybe 5 to 6 videos because there's nothing much to understand or form mental models around. But once you get the basics right, you'll be able to build pretty much any micro interaction that you see anywhere. So for example, if you see this Tailwind website, oh, I love this new website though. So this beautiful carousel or the moving slider thing that you see, I believe this is Motion. Or this, for example, or this one is nice. You hover over it and it fits in. Again, Motion. I believe it is Motion. Clicks that you see, again, the sliders that you see here, carousels moving, all perspective things, Motion. So yeah, again, there is this linear website that you see. Beautiful. So this animates in, blurs and animates in, and then this tile comes in, which is the hero section image, which is separated into 3 parts anyway. All of this can be done with Tailwind and Motion alone. तो वही सीखेंगे हम इसमें कैसे करना है. और we are going to recreate everything. For example, this hero section we are going to recreate. This Tailwind का bento box and the animations that you see here, we are going to recreate. We are going to recreate this as well. For example, the height autonomous project management tool, the background, and you see this little micro interaction, right? Beams that go from here to there. So this beams also, and all of this which you see here, we are going to recreate this and we'll see how we can build it with Motion Dev. And again, I'll quickly go through the curriculum that we'll be following. First, we'll talk about basics कि मोशन है क्या, मोशन के फंडामेंटल्स क्या है, primitives क्या है, इसको कैसे यूज करते हैं, इसको कैसे इंस्टॉल करते हैं. थोड़ा सा फिर मैं Tailwind CSS बेसिक्स की बात करूंगा क्योंकि जो फाइनल प्रोजेक्ट है हमारा उसमें हम Tailwind बहुत यूज करेंगे. तो Tailwind CSS की मैं थोड़ी बात करना चाहता हूँ, थोड़े बेसिक समझना चाहता हूँ. अगर आप vanilla CSS से भी करना चाहते हैं, that is also fine. But then इस वीडियो में for simplicity, I'll be moving really fast with the CSS that you see. Initial, animate, exit and hover की हम बात करेंगे जो कि होते हैं props on a motion dev. We'll talk about what a motion dev is or a motion tag in general, what that is. Animate, presence की बात करेंगे और ये क्यों जरूरी होता है. Variants की बात करेंगे, so you don't have to reuse these 3-4 things again and again. You can create variants which are reusable animation, set of instructions that you can use. तो आपको बार-बार वो चीजें define नहीं करनी पड़ती. For example, if you go to this linear website, if I have this here and this is also somewhere down below, so I can pretty much write a variant for this and I can reuse it. That is what a variant is. Then we'll talk about layout groups and shared layouts. For example, if I show an example, ui.h20.com, if you see the background of it, it moves right from this to this to this. It is following it. Cool. तो ये layout ID देनी पड़ती है और उससे होता है हम layout groups create कर सकते हैं. We'll understand how we can use shared layouts and layout groups to create immersive experiences जो एक दूसरे पे dependent होते हैं. अगर इसका एक और example दूं मैं आपको, for example this, और I click here, you'll see कि यहाँ से उठ के मॉडल में आता है, यहाँ से उठ के मॉडल में आया एंड इट विल गो बैक देयर. सो दिस हैपेंस विद लेआउट्स और लेआउट आईडी देनी पड़ती है उसके लिए. विल अंडरस्टैंड हाउ यू कैन डू इट. दिस इज वन वे ऑफ डूइंग इट. अगेन विल टॉक अबाउट हुक्स. क्या होते हैं हुक्स जो कि बहुत यूज में आ सकते हैं व्हेन यू आर डूइंग स्क्रॉल एनिमेशन, ड्रैग एनिमेशन, वेलोसिटी बेस्ड एनिमेशंस. सो देयर आर हुक्स लाइक यूज स्क्रॉल और यूज ट्रांसफॉर्म और यूज मोशन वैल्यू, यूज मोशन टेम्पलेट, यूज मोशन वैल्यू इवेंट, यूज मोशन वैल्यू, हुक्स लाइक यूज एनिमेट और ये सब, ये सारे बहुत सारे हुक्स आप बहुत सारी जगहों पे यूज कर सकते हो. वेरी सिंपल, वेरी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड. थोड़ी क्वांटिटी में ज्यादा लग सकते हैं अभी, बट इतना कुछ भी नहीं है. तो once this is done, I think you'll be pretty much comfortable with creating any micro interaction that you can think of. The second last point is animation sequences. Now, for example, if I scroll down, I see this, right? I hover over it and I come back, hover over it, come back. For example, this, come here and come back, come here and come. This follows a sequence. Cool. Similar to this. ब्लर होएगा, चला जाएगा, जहां पे भी रोक देंगे वहां पे रुक जाएगा और वापस चला जाएगा. समथिंग लाइक दिस. दिस इज ऑल्सो सीक्वेंस. दिस एक के बाद एक के बाद एक के बाद एक एंड देन इट रिपीट्स. आई डोंट यूज इट मच, बट इफ पुट करेक्टली, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इट क्लर्क्स वेबसाइट, कैन लुक रियली गुड. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस बेंटो बॉक्स इज क्रेजी गुड. इफ यू हवर ओवर इट, दिस इज ऑल्सो क्रेजी गुड. तो ये सब, और ये देखो जहां से शुरू हुआ वहां पे ही खत्म हो जाता है. तो ये सारी चीजें एनिमेशन सीक्वेंसेस से आप कर सकते हो. वो भी हम सीखेंगे इसमें कैसे करनी है. एंड द फाइनल इज विल गो हेड एंड क्रिएट एन Aeternity UI Pro template from scratch. For example, if you see here, तो जो भी यहाँ templates हैं which I actually sell also. So all these templates that I make and I sell, what I'm going to do here is मैं एक template इन्हीं video series में बनाऊंगा and I'll show you what goes inside of creating a template for Aeternity Pro and how it's gonna sell also later down the road. तो वीडियो में बनाऊंगा, वीडियो में कोड दिखाऊंगा, बट उसका कोड GitHub पे नहीं डालूंगा, वो पेड होगा. That is just for you to understand what goes behind creating such templates. Or once you'll see the code, you'll realize it's not that fancy. मतलब you can also build it yourself. You just need to explore a bit of creative side of yourself. और इतना कुछ इसमें होता नहीं है, बस you'll have to have some creative direction into your code and it'll look really good. Mostly you'll be using up until this only and Tailwind का बहुत यूज होता है. But yeah, cool. तो आपको इतना ही यूज करना होगा, उसके अलावा तो कुछ ज्यादा यूजेज होगा नहीं. So yeah, I think last will be interesting, जिसमें we'll go ahead and create an Aeternity UI template. We'll be coding 3 to 4 pages. और this I have not prepared for this playlist. ये मैं ad hoc करूंगा, मतलब मेरे को खुद भी नहीं पता मैं क्या बनाऊंगा, तो मैं वीडियो में ही सोचूंगा, वीडियो में ही बनाऊंगा, वीडियो में इटरेट करूंगा, वीडियो में ही फीडबैक लूंगा और उसी में ही सब कुछ बनाते चले जाएंगे धीरे 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 धीरे. तो ये था करिकुलम इस प्लेलिस्ट का. आई होप वीडियो सीरीज छोटी हो, क्योंकि ज्यादा वीडियोस, बड़ी वीडियोस तो मेरे को भी देखना नहीं पसंद, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली और फॉर्चुनेटली डेप्थ नॉलेज जो होती है वो बड़ी वीडियो से ही मिलती है. तो देयर इज नो कुकी कटर थिंग गोइंग ऑन कि आप 5 मिनट की वीडियो देख के आप चीजें समझ लोगे. द लॉन्गर द वीडियो द बेटर. आई विल बी एबल टू टीच यू मोर, आई विल बी एबल टू शेयर माय एक्सपीरियंसेस मोर एंड यू विल बी एबल टू लर्न एज वेल, बट स्टिक थ्रू द वीडियोस इज व्हाट आई विल सजेस्ट. So yeah, this is about the playlist. And so what I'll do is I'll take one component from each and I'll try to explain one motion ka concept. So that is how I'm going to proceed with this. All right, if you like the video and if you want me to drop the playlist faster, please do like this video and drop a subscribe or drop a comment and do subscribe to this channel. I'll be coming up with more such videos. Thank you so much for watching the videos, liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. चक लो रे वाले